Hey guys, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk about personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today, we're going to be looking at ticker symbol CRM. They're actually releasing earnings after the market close today. I want to see if $292 is a fair share price for this stock. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the chart. We're going to look at financial data points to determine if this is overvalued, undervalued. We're also going to look and see if hedge funds or institutions have been buying or selling. Without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump on in. All right, CRM, Salesforce. This company has been on a freaking tear. They're coming up to all-time highs, around $300. So huge V-shaped recovery. If you snag this down at $129, leave a comment. Let me know. I need to be following you, obviously. I do own this one. I've actually owned this one for about a year now. I don't think I have it as great of a price as 170, maybe a little bit higher, but definitely one to own in my opinion. RSI is strong. You want to see over 50 going in a clear direction, and this clear direction to me looks up. Momentum clearly looks like it's up. Money flow index, this thing is just curved and bent to whoop. And looking at the relative momentum index, this thing is about to get nice and heavy and hot. So if the trend continues, I think we could see higher prices. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and take a look here. Shares outstanding continues to go up. That means shares continue to enter the market, which think of supply and demand. There's always being supply added back in. When are they going to stop? That's a homework assignment for you. Why do they keep adding shares? I don't know. It's not a substantial amount, but the fact that they keep adding is kind of annoying. Sales, this is amazing. Just up and to the right. Looks like a perfect staircase to just walk up and down. You know, when you just walk up and down the stairs, or sometimes you'd slide down the stairs. You'd get in one of those little laundry baskets and just slide down the stairs, or you lay on a sleeping bag and just slide on down. This looks like the perfect angle for that right there. EPS is all over the place. Honestly, look at this. Up, down, down. Pretty crazy. But what I want to do and what is most important is figure out what the stock price should be. So you're probably wondering, okay, how are we going to figure this out? I used to work at a microcap company. We had some regulatory financial people come in. They value the stock based on the sales. Every $100 million in sales equals $1. And so when their stock has over $1 billion in market cap, it gets added to the calculation because big money influences the price of a stock. So without further ado, I'm going to shut up and let's just watch the numbers on the screen. They have 283 billion 430 million. 283,430 million, yes. Plus 2,590 million, yes. Plus 33,950 million, yes. Okay. And now we're going to add in cash, which is plus 7,016 million. That's awesome. And total debt of 11 billion, so minus 11,392 million. Whoa. 11,392 million. Yep. And we're going to take this and we're going to divide this by 937,260,000. $336 share price, which is about $44 from here. Who's next to me? Morgan Stanley has 350 price target. I have 336. So I do think this is a decent buy, honestly, in my opinion. It's going to come back and test the highs here, obviously. And I think if it breaks 300s, I think we see 336. I think my calculation might be pretty good. Institutions own 82% of the company. That's older data. The newer data, and what makes it newer is that the 13F forms declaring ownership in stocks from hedge funds and institutions are updated daily on this site. So old data showed that institutions and hedge funds owned 82%. New data shows 92%. So about a 10% increase. And it looks like we are breaching the all-time high in ownership rate here. So that is fantastic. Everything is aligning. BlackRock increased, Vanguard increased, FMR decreased by 30 million shares. That's pretty nuts. So Salesforce, I think the stock could go up to 336. Earnings come out today. Best of luck, both sides, if you're long or short. On the short side, I mean, I think let's just do a little quick scribble. So the long side, I think we can see 336. The short side, I think we could see... I don't see the stock falling by that much, but I'm going to continue to draw some lines here. All right, so we could be in this little consolidation wedge here, but I mean, this thing's been on a freaking tear, so you don't really know. And then just really quickly, yeah, I mean, I think this the high side could go to 336. If their earnings are horrible and they start a new downtrend, I would look for some support along this line right here. So maybe it goes sideways for a few months, maybe come back down to 240s, 270s. So that's my long or my bullish and bearish thesis. Thank you guys for watching. Consider hitting subscribe, consider hitting like, consider leaving a comment, consider having a great day. Talk to you soon.